Okay, I will try to explain it in this little video, because if I want to explain this in pictures, it's going to take a while. So as we can see at the open, this is where the open is. Price went down, then it shot up, came down again. As soon as it touches this, we have two equal lows. We're in a sort of a trading range already, and that trading range sustained. Then it started to move from this level when it hit it, and there was an impulse move down here. It pulls back, creates that first setup that we will not take because it's inside the trading range. And then when it comes down, I've already marked my levels here from the hourly chart, and I can see, since it's not a very strong move today, this could present a support zone. And that's what I marked earlier and said, probably not a good idea to take a trade. Two reasons. I mean, I want the open to, clearly take the price and move in the first half an hour, and that's when we want that trade. After that, I will only trade if it actually did move and it continues to move and it doesn't stop, then I will trade. But in this case, it's just shown that there's no interest, or there's a confusion going on. Some stocks are going up, some down, and all that stuff. Then I said this was climactic. Now, the sole reason for this video is, you see this move down from here to here? I want to pick this up and put it here. I want this move to kind of happen here. So suppose, I can't draw. We pick this from here and set it up. So for example, if market consolidated here, because the trading range is tall, right? So by the time it comes here, it's already done what I'm looking for. I don't know how to put it, but this is the move, then it pulls back, and then it goes down. So I want to be in this move, which is climactic. As you can see over here, it's moved away from the moving averages. And then when it pulls back, this is the second attempt, after when we see that move. But I'm not interested in the second, because I know that it has hit the levels that I had marked, the previous levels. It's hit that, and as I'm making this video, it's now moving past that level. So I'll be more interested in this. There's a higher probability of it further going down once it clears those levels and sets up. So if it starts to go sideways now here, and then it creates a setup, I'll definitely be interested. So you can see here. Otherwise, I mean, let's suppose we just refresh the template. You saw this. You simply saw this, a breakout and a pullback. You took the trade, and you just got out at break even because your trade management was, you moved your stop loss to break even, and this candle took you out. That's it. You're done. That's fine as well. I mean, this works as well.